Recently, the rapper Sean Diddy Combs has been the target of scrutiny and mockery, particularly during a segment on Saturday Night Live's Weekend Update, following alarming accusations of sexual abuse that have emerged against him. Diddy, who was arrested last month on serious charges including sex trafficking and racketeering, is currently being held in a notorious New York City jail without the possibility of bail. Comedians Michael Che and Colin Jost made pointed jokes about Diddy's legal troubles, emphasizing the severity of the allegations against him. Che humorously noted, "It was reported that last month the US added 245,000 new jobs. Unfortunately, they were all Diddy accuser." This punchline highlights the increasing number of individuals stepping forward with allegations against the rapper. Jost further commented on the reassignment of Diddy's sex trafficking case to a new judge, quipping, "One that Diddy hopes is cool with rapes." This statement reflects the dark humor often utilized in comedy to address serious issues while underscoring the gravity of the situation. Diddy's case was reassigned to federal judge Aaron Subramanian after initially being overseen by Judge Andrew Carter. The latter had denied Diddy's bail requests twice, despite the rapper attempting to use both his and his mother's Miami homes, valued at an estimated $50 million, as collateral for his release. The denial of bail underscores the seriousness of the charges he faces and the court's concern regarding potential flight risks or further misconduct. The allegations against Diddy are not new. They encompass a troubling history of accusations dating back to 2008. Allegations detail a pattern of behavior where he is accused of abusing, threatening, and coercing women to satisfy his sexual desires, while also attempting to safeguard his reputation and conceal his actions. The U.S. Attorney, Damian Williams, revealed findings from a raid conducted in March at Diddy's Miami residence, where federal agents confiscated several items, including unmarked AR-15 rifles and ammunition. Perhaps more shocking was the discovery of over 1,000 bottles of baby oil and various lubricants, which are suggestive of the nature of the activities being investigated. Moreover, the investigation unveiled evidence related to Diddy's alleged freak-offs, described as sex parties he hosted. During raids on his residences in Los Angeles and Miami, authorities found electronic devices containing images and videos of these gatherings, implicating multiple victims. This revelation has painted a grim picture of the environment Diddy allegedly fostered, leading to a growing list of victims coming forward with their own experiences. On a particularly disturbing note, an additional 120 victims recently emerged, all accusing Diddy of sexual abuse, with several of these individuals reportedly underage, including a shocking claim involving a 9-year-old. The Texas lawyer Tony Busby announced his representation of these new victims, believing they possessed legitimate claims against the music mogul. Busby disclosed that out of the 120 new accusers, 25 were minors at the time of the alleged abuse, which occurred from 1991 up until this year. This staggering number of accusers highlights the extent of the allegations and the systemic nature of the reported abuse. In the face of these serious accusations, Diddy has issued a vehement denial from jail. His attorney expressed frustration regarding the situation, stating that Diddy cannot address every meritless allegation in what has become a reckless media circus. The statement continued to assert that Mr. Combs emphatically and categorically denies as false and defamatory any claim that he sexually abused anyone, including minors. Diddy's camp remains adamant that he looks forward to the opportunity to prove his innocence in court, emphasizing that the truth will prevail based on evidence rather than speculation. As these developments unfold, the spotlight remains on Diddy, with the public and media keenly watching how this high-profile case progresses through the legal system. The growing number of accusers and the severity of the allegations contribute to a complex narrative that raises significant questions about accountability, justice, and the implications of fame.